Welcome to the MagiX Event Registration presentation. Who we are. At IP MagiX, we're proud of our 26 years of success, having served over 300 satisfied customers across 15 countries. With Event Registration Platform, you can easily create your own event registration site, fully tailored to your customers' needs. Now, let's explore the features of our event registration system. We provide dynamic templates, customizable event details, and optional features to enhance the registration experience. Our dynamic templates offer 3 design options that can be customized to reflect your brand. You can also add new templates and adjust them to match your event's unique identity. Capture all essential event details with our system. Add fields for event logos, images, registration types, and verification options to ensure a smooth and organized registration process. Take your event to the next level with optional features such as sessions, speakers, sponsors, exhibitors, and news updates, giving attendees a complete overview of what they can expect. Our platform allows for full customization of the registration form using dynamic fields. You can make certain fields mandatory and add as many fields as needed to collect the most relevant information. The Portal Admin feature streamlines your administrative tasks. Easily manage events, add detailed features, and access predefined reports, including registration lists and attendance reports. The system will generate a website to allow the visitors to sign up and register his/her information. After registration, our system integrates with the eZagel SMS gateway. Users simply sign up, enter their phone number, and receive a one-time password for verification. After that, participants receive a confirmation email with a unique QR code. These codes can be scanned using our Android app for event attendance tracking. Why choose IP MagiX? Choose IP MagiX for high-quality products and solutions, competitive pricing, and seamless integration with a variety of back-end systems.